Main title, How to Assist New AI Learner. Subtitle, Simple Path, Practical Steps, Powerful Future. 7-Step AI Learning Path, Step Focus, Area. Description 1, Understand AI Basics, what AI is, what it can and cannot do. 2, Learn, Prompting, How to Ask Clear, Specific Questions. 3, Use AI Every Day, Writing, Translation, Research, Summaries, Ideas, and Planning. 4, Learn productivity tools, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and AI features in everyday apps. 5, Apply AI to your profession, sales, marketing, teaching, engineering, finance, business, etc. 6, Verify AI output. Never blindly trust AI, check facts, calculations, and sources. 7, Build one real project ACV, marketing campaign, business plan, presentation, website, lesson plan, or automation. Key benefits and core frameworks. Why learn AI? Work smarter, not harder. Increase productivity, save time every day, boost creativity and innovation. Stay relevant in the future. Golden rule progression. Learn to practice, to apply, to verify, to teach. The best way to help a new AI learner is one useful task every day for 30 days, rather than trying to learn everything at once. Key takeaway. AI is not here to replace your skills. It helps you multiply them. Name: Abdullah Dyer, phone/WhatsApp, +9715285977775, UAE, together for a better future.